So hello students, there is one very important examination tip which I just wanted to share with all of you. Just keep this particular tip in mind. Supposing students, your examination, do you please pass it on to your inter-CA students, your friends, your juniors, your relatives who may have their foundation, inter-CA and final CA examination. Students, always keep in mind one thing. Say for example, if the timing of the examination is say 2 to 5 or say 11 to 2 or 8 to 11, different slots. Ensure that now say for example today says 9th of June. From 9th of June I will try and make a very honest effort. Like I'll try to make an effort that that period of the time of that examination I have the peak performance. Now that can be achieved through multiple ways. I have to recycle my entire adjustment. Like supposingly, there can be some students who actually have the habit of waking very late at night, primarily stretch up, stretch up too early in the morning itself. And say for example, the examination is at 8 o'clock. So by then, that phase of 8 to 11, they are feeling very dull. So that is generally they feel very dull on that particular period. So it's important that last 20 days or so, you should set your cycle in such a way that the period or the 3 hours wherever you have your examination, that period in that period should be you should be at peak of your concentration, your focus, your performance. So my humble suggestion to all of you would be to reschedule if required your study habits in the last 20 days before the examination so that you can perform optimum during that 3 hours starting from, because what will happen students, why I say 20 days, because 4 5 days it will take you to come to that you may have to readjust to that thing. It will slowly and gradually you will peak at that particular time zone, and then 14 days it will require to get really adjust to that particular time zone wherein you can make it really productive. So this is my suggestion to all of you students. So just from my side, all the best to all of you. Now students, one quick announcement. We are starting already with the May 22 attempt batch, Yodha 2.0. This is a May 22 attempt batch. In the May 22 attempt batch, students, you will find herein that this is starting from 9th of June 2021. In this context, students, in this particular context, the educators who are being there, primarily the educators who are being there for the group 2, SCMP, Sachin Gupta sir, I'll be taking direct tax, and Mahesh Gaur sir will be for IDT. Apart from that, students, you will also be getting, by taking the subscription, you will also be getting what, the elective paper, because it's for the entire group. So obviously you can choose also the elective paper. See for yourself, the elective law, if you are taking, Amit Popli sir, Rahul Balkal sir would be for financial markets, and international taxation would be by me, and Kapileshwar Bhalla sir would be for the IFRS part. This is what it would be. Apart from that, students, as we know that in this platform, apart from the live classes, you will also be privileged to have the unlimited recorded sessions. The unlimited recorded sessions for that subscription period. So there is no limit as to how much time you can watch. You can watch for unlimited time. As I told you that this is a live batch, so there is a live you can witness, or you can go for a recorded part. Multiple educators for all the subjects are being there. Now there is a separate doubt solving session. Obviously there is also an offline medium of asking the query through Telegram, but there is also a separate doubt solving which takes place in every fourth session, and full fledgedly there are a lot of revision lectures that is being planned up for the students along with the mock test series. So it's very comprehensive package. The entire focus would be by the top educators would be to to inculcate, educate knowledge, and to give upon you the entire the confidence to crack even a tough paper. Our focus would be to make you examination ready. That exactly how we are going to entirely make the entire curriculum, prepare yourself to each permutation and combination of each areas of your subject. That is what each and every educators will make an endeavor. These are some of the students to whom at least I can say I've been privileged to mentor them to get their coveted ranking position. I can speak about Vishal, AIR1 in Jan 21 attempt, Asik Raj also AIR1, Vaibhav AIR2 and Mohammed Shami AIR3. So I was privileged to mentor these students in this last two attempts. Students, now the subscription plan, because it's a regular batch that you are going to put across. So here in students, if you see, the subscription plan is for 12 months. This you should have for 12 months because it's a regular batch, and that way you will be in a position to cover your entire syllabus comfortably for all the 4 papers, or even if it is for a paper or 2 papers, at least the best. Because see, if you say 6 months, hardly there is a difference between the rate. 12,500 is for 6 months, and if you see for 12 months it is 15,500. So it's always better to go for the 12 months, because for that you get the entire annual package. The entire 12 months you will be in a position to cover up your entire papers sufficiently. Entire group you can cover. And plus, students, please use this code CADS, because by using this code CADS you get also 10% discount on your subscription. The 10% discount on your subscription is also what you will be getting it in this particular context. So this is one of the benefits, students, which you should always keep in mind. That exactly how you will be in a position to really do it in a modest 13,500. I will say you are being given the entire group 2 access with the top educators. So what else that we can ask for? So this is the best thing that you can really call for. Please pass on this information to your colleagues, your friends, your juniors, relatives, and let them avail this benefit through this particular subscription plan. Bye students, thank you very much. Take care.